Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Java JDK 22 in any Ubuntu operating system with Java Home. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check any other version of Java JDK is already installed on our Ubuntu operating system or not. Go to your PC and type Ctrl Alt T, press Ctrl Alt T and terminal is open. In terminal type java space hyphen version and hit enter key, and we find there is no Java. We also check java c is installed or not. Type java c space hyphen version, hit enter key, and java c is also not present. Not any kind of Java is installed on our machine. Close it. Next step is we download our Java JDK. Go to the any web browser that you want. I am going to the Google Chrome, and here type Oracle Java JDK and hit enter key on our keyboard. Here we find first link from the Oracle. Open the first link, Java downloads. Here we find Java official website. Scroll down and here we find the latest version of the Java, and latest version is Java 22 now. Scroll down and here we find Linux. In Linux, I want to install in Ubuntu. So I go to the Debian package. Here we find x64 Debian package. Download it from here. Here we find link. Click at here. And our download is started at here. And it takes few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Our file is downloaded now. Go to the downloads. Show in a folder. Minimize our website. Here is our Debian. Here is our Debian package, and I want to install this on Ubuntu. That is very easy and simple. Go to here, right click on the blank space and open in a terminal. Click on the open in a terminal, and it's open in a terminal with the path. Here type sudo space dpkg space, then type -i space and your package name. Here is my package name. Here is my package. Right click on it, rename it, select this entire, right click on it, copy it and paste at here. And here is our package name, our file name, and hit enter key on your keyboard. Hit enter key on your keyboard, add your password and hit enter key, and it's installing our package. It's take few minutes or few seconds, so wait for a few minutes. That's done. Our installation process is done. Close it. Close it. Next step is check our version. Go to the once again Ctrl Alt T on our keyboard. Go to the terminal. Open the terminal by Ctrl Alt T and type once again Java space hyphen version. But still not find Java because we not added path on our Ubuntu operating system. That is the problem, and we are going to add the path. Go to the YouTube description. In description, I give two commands. Here first, replace this path with the Java path and replace this path with the Java C. First, I will find our path. That is very easy. Go to the file. In file, we find here other location. Go to the other location. In other location, go to the computer. Here we find Ubuntu. Click on that. Here find USR. Click on that. Double click on it. That. And here we find lib, click on lib, and here we find gvm folder. Gvm folder, find gvm folder. Here is the gvm folder, double click on it. Here we find JDK 22, our version number, double click on it. Here we find bin, go to the bin folder. In bin folder, we find two IMP files. First is the Java and second is the Java C. Two files are very IMP for us. We want to copy the path or the address of this folder. That is very easy. Go to your keyboard and press Ctrl L key on your keyboard, and it select your path. Right click on it and copy it and go to your notepad and replace with this path. Remove this path. Remove this path. Select this path. Right click on it and paste it. And here add / and type Java. Make these changes. Also in the path, replace with our current path and / and this time type Java C. Copy our first path, copy it and go to the Control Alt T on your keyboard, open terminal. In terminal, type or paste our path and hit enter. Type your password and there is no error, means our path is successfully added. Go to the second, copy it, paste it at here, hit enter key, and we find one error. Then go to our next position, once again add it, and this time add 2, and this time it's added our Java C path also. Check our Java version, Java hyphen version, hit enter key, and Java version is now showing. Also type Java C space hyphen version, and Java C version is also showing. If you got an error, just type or remove this 2 number, 1 number to 2 number. If 2 number has error, then go to the 3 number. That is the solution for this error. Close it. Next option is we are going to close this or minimize it. Next step is set Java home environment variable in Ubuntu. That is very easy. Go to the YouTube description. In YouTube description, I give this command sudo, copy this command and go to the terminal once again, Control Alt T and paste it at here and hit enter key. Type your password and we got this error and we want to install this. So I go to here and copy this and paste sudo apt-get update. It's take few minutes or few seconds, so be patient. If you not got this error, then go with our next step and we reinstall this. I close it. Once again, I open Control Alt T, open terminal. In terminal, I type this command once again, copy this command and paste it at here, hit enter key, type my password, and this time it show my environment. And we are going to our next step. Our next step is add our Java home. First, go to here and go to the next line and type Java underscore home equal sign double quote. In double quote, we add our path. Once again, we go to our path. Go to here. I close it. This is our path. But once again, we go to our path. Go to the file. In file, we go to the other location, computer or name of your device. Double click on it. Here, go to the USR. Double click on it. LIB. Double click on it. In LIB, find GVM. Find GVM. Double click on GVM. Here we find our version. Double click on our version. Go to the version and here copy this. Copy this. Control L on your keyboard. Control L on your keyboard is select your path or the address. Right click on it. Copy it. Minimize it. Go to here. Paste it at here. And save it. And save it. And close it. Now we refresh it. Go to here. Source etc second command. Copy it. Go to here. Paste it at here. And hit enter key. And go to here. Echo Java home. Paste it at here. And we find our Java home is perfectly working. Now go to our next step. Next step is create your first Java file, compile it and print it. That is very easy. Go to any text editor. I go to the show apps, open text editor, click on any text editor, open any text editor. Here I create new file, new document and type my first Java code. Here is my first Java code and I want to save that Java code. I go to here 3 lines, click on these 3 lines and go to the save as and save as any name. I save it on the desktop. I go to the desktop. I save it on the desktop with name Abhi. I type my name Abhi.java. .java is very imp. Give any name and .java is very imp. Click on save. It's saved on our desktop. Here is our Java file and we want to compile that Java file. That is very easy. We type Control Alt T, open terminal on our machine, open terminal, and I want to go to the path of the our desktop. That is very easy. Go to the home, go to the desktop. Here we find desktop. I type in terminal cd, cd means change directory, and drag this desktop to our terminal, and here we find our path and hit enter key. Here we find the path of the our desktop, and now we want to add our Java. So I type Java space, then our file name Java, and hit enter key, and it's print hello Java. That means there is no error in our Java. Our Java is working. It's installed perfectly on our Ubuntu operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.